It's here.
Yeah.
Power line down.
That's communication.
Yeah, this one is communication, but that one, that's why they put the.
Because there's a wire that's down.
Power line down after tornado. Look at that. Tornado here in Geneseo, New York's upstate. Trees down everywhere. Not in the street. Well, here, see, still a little bit more. Little bit more. Look at that. Look at that. Another one down. Another wire down here. Line down. Line down. Line down. Line down. Look at that. Oh my God. Look at that. Look at that. Look at those trees. Line down. Look, many trees inside the cemetery. Whoa. Anything. Look at that. Another one. Look at that. Look what happened here. Look at this tree. It's down completely. Wow. Yeah, imagine those lines. Look how close they are to the trees. Look at that. Look at that car. Almost got hit. Right there. So it came through here too. Went hit many places. Not only one. More trees down. And look how much water here. Look how much water in the grass, in the creek. Look at that. Look at that. In 2 seconds. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Look at that. 200 years old tree. No more. Look at that. More lines down at Dennis. Look at that. Everywhere. No power. Everybody outside. Look at this. Uh-oh.